The charcoal briquette was invented in 1897, but interest in it was slow burning, so to speak, until the 1920s. That's when automaker Henry Ford decided to recycle wood scraps from car making into barbecue briquettes. And these little nuggets became a smoking sensation. Barbecuing with charcoal has become immensely popular since Ford's time. And every year, several million tons of wood scraps are converted into high-quality charcoal briquettes. Today, briquette production starts with sawdust and wood chips from lumber mills. A truck unloads it all into a pit. Bulldozers blend the material called fuel to obtain a uniform end product. As the mix travels up a conveyor, an electromagnet removes any metal contaminants. The mix falls onto a vibratory screener which sifts out the larger pieces of wood. At this point, the fuel is still very moist. To dry it, a worm screw draws the mix up into a long rotating dryer. The dryer heats the wood mix to a searing 1400 degrees. The dryer is sealed to prevent oxygen from leaking in. This allows the wood to dry without catching fire. After 4 minutes in the dryer, the moisture has been cooked out of the mix. Workers add anthracite coal to the hopper, and it mixes in with the fuel. Anthracite coal is known for burning at high temperature. Then, they mix in lime. Lime makes the briquettes turn white after they're ignited, a visual indication that the barbecue is ready to rock and roll. The mix, now blackened, passes under a second electromagnet to remove any metal that could damage the equipment downstream. Finally, workers blend in cornstarch, which binds the ingredients together. A worm screw supplies the mixture to a press roll, where a constant spray of water keeps the mixture from sticking. The press rolls compact the mixture into briquettes. The process takes just a fraction of a second. At this point, the briquettes contain 35% moisture and are very soft. A screener shakes out fine material from the briquettes, which is recycled back into the process. A sweep belt transports and distributes the briquettes in a 250-foot drying tunnel. They are heated to 280 degrees for 2.5 hours. This will reduce their moisture level from 35 to just 5%. The lower the moisture level, the better it burns. A conveyor transports the briquettes to automated scales that weigh them for packaging. Every portion is the same, plus or minus 1 briquette. As the scales release the briquettes, robots below move bags into position to capture them. A sealing machine glue seals the bags, then prints a production date and ship code on each one. Open the bag and a backyard barbecue is just one match stroke away. And who can resist the smoky flavor of charcoal grilled food?